Welcome, this is Mel Waller with Financial Freedom Starts Now. What you see here is I was working on my vision boards, which are very, very important. Better than resolutions. People are doing New Year's resolutions now. A couple months from now, nothing more. It's history. But I do believe in vision boards because I've used them and they work as far as I'm concerned. And I have them right here in front of my monitor where I work online every day, all year long. So this image you see here is part of that, where I wanted to, within the next 3 years, substantially build my publishing and financial empire. On my other images on my vision board, I've got a check written out to me for $10 million. I've got me without my shirt on and some massive muscles, which I currently do not have. I've got our future home in Hawaii. I've got an image of me doing a podcast. And of course I have the image that you see before you, Mel Waller Publishing. I currently have 1,651 ebook and book titles published on KDP Amazon, as well as Lightning Source Inc. And that's been a process that spanned over many, many, many years. And I was working with, and I love working with AI. I have Claude Pro, I have the paid version of ChatGPT, and I was going over the vision that I have for the future with Claude Pro when, believe it or not, it interrupted me, said stop, and explained that I'm all great on strategy and visions, but I could be doing a lot more on focus, doing the work that needs to be done before I get too carried away with thinking I need to have virtual assistants. I need to be getting help from somewhere else to do all this. So that was just here within the last 24 hours. And with that, then I went on and I launched 4 more Amazon ads campaigns for some of the titles that I have published. I had 2 before that are currently have been active and are making money. So that's the important thing, is to be spending less than you're bringing in. I just went ahead and I published an ebook on Amazon, so that got me to 1,651. And then it finally was quiet here in the house where I could go ahead and record this video for YouTube that I'll put up. So I encourage you, if you don't already have one, to get a vision board, get it put up, and where you're going to see it on a daily basis. Even if you're not directly looking at it, your subconscious is going to pick that up. And that's going to be working behind the scenes on your mindset and everything. So that's what I've done, and that's what I wanted to communicate. And I know one thing I want to do is I want to be able to be creating more YouTube videos. I want to be expanding my both my YouTube channels, Financial Freedom Starts Now and Get Published Forever. On Get Published Forever, I am starting to do creating audiobooks with some of the ebooks that I have published, having it so people can read the text, and I'm reading it. So they could just listen to me, or they could read and listen, or however they want to do that. But I'm going to continue to add that to Get Published Forever. And with Financial Freedom Starts Now, I'll also have the publishing angle, as well as I do affiliate marketing. I'm with a company platform called Wealthy Affiliate. And the podcasting is going to be, and that will be on Financial Freedom Starts Now, where I will be interviewing other entrepreneurs and getting insights from them. And I'll have one here in January sometime. We're going to try to get that next week, work on the scheduling with the individual, Roy Breton from the UK, and see how that goes. I think I'd really enjoy that. You'll see on the channel from a few years ago, I have a few discussions I had with Roy Solheim and Jeff Brown and another one. And I gain insight from them. They gain insight from me. It's a win-win. So with that, I will let you go. And I appreciate you stopping by. If you have any questions, comments, anything you'd like me to discuss or go into more detail, I take that into consideration when I'm creating content on whatever platform I'm working on. All right, you can do this. You can be successful. It's all mindset. You know, whatever you want to achieve, you can do it. You got to believe it to achieve it. And it is possible, but so often we have negative self-talk, we doubt ourselves, and we don't do nothing. Or we quit right when we're getting to the point where we could strike gold. So, okay, thank you. Have a great day. Happy New Year. This is where I'm at. It's January the 2nd, 2026. Thank you. Goodbye.